Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine